Chapter Neural Control and Coordination. 1. Which part of human brain is concerned with the regulation of body temperature? Option A cerebellum, B cerebrum, C hypothalamus, D thalamus. Answer option C. 2. The most abundant intracellular cation is option A hydrogen ion, B potassium ion, C sodium, D calcium. Answer option B potassium. A gymnast is able to balance his body upside down even in the total darkness because of option A tectorial membrane, B organ of Corti, C cochlea, D vestibular apparatus. Answer D vestibular apparatus. 4. Photosensitive compound in human eye is made up of option A opsin and retinol, B transducin and retinase, C guanosine and retinol, D opsin and retinol. Option D opsin and retinol. Myelin sheath is produced by option A astrocytes and squamous cell, B oligodendrocytes and osteoclasts, C osteoclasts and astrocytes, D squamous cell and oligodendrocytes. Answer option D squamous cell and oligodendrocytes.